ikaw. Pass to begin, Rhino Process alongside 32, moving up on the outside. Now comes Treasure Island. Doña Marucha comes next, then followed up by Bubblegum, Celestial, Mucho Macho, Bingeris Biodrell, about 6 wide, Son of the Wind, Manipol, Sheltex, Passion Island, Prospector Scott, while Sandok is the early trailer, and going along for a first turn. Now we have Rhino Process by about 2 lengths. 32 now in second. Treasure Island is racing in third. Bubblegum now moving up to third, fourth. Tangikaw is racing in fifth. Binget 6. 7 is Doña Marucha. Celestial comes next. Manipur Sheltex alongside Mucho Macho is Biodrell. Prospector Scotts. Biodrell comes center number 1. Passion Island, Son of the Wind. And Sandok still racing in last. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Rhino Process. Bubblegum moving up on the outside. Treasure Island is running down on the inside. Dropping back in for 32. Tanging Ikaw, Doña Marucha. Also moving up, Manipur Sheltex. We've got Bubblegum by about 2 lengths. Treasure Island still in second on the outside. Doña Marucha in third. As they come down at the last 200, Bubblegum is still in front. Tanging Ikaw is lifting down on the inside 32. Doña Marucha is on the other outside. Last 75 meters, we have Tanging Ikaw. Doña Marucha is on the outside. And finally, it's a close finish between Tanging Ikaw and Doña Marucha.
Close! Kung gaano kagulo yung ating dagdahan sa race number 6, ganun din ang nangyaring karera. Iba-iba ang nasa harapan, pero pagsapit ng meta, sabi nga ng ating track announcer, close between Tanging Ikaw and Doña Marucha.